In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Remitly account. If you are ready to get started, grab your device, open your preferred web browser, and follow along at a comfortable pace. You do not need to rush, because each step will be quick and straightforward. First, open Remitly.com in your browser. Take a moment to make sure you are on the official website page before you continue. When the page loads, you should see the Remitly landing screen, with options to sign in or sign up. If anything looks unusual, simply refresh and make sure the URL matches remitly.com. Next, click Sign Up. This is the button that begins the account creation process. Once you click it, the page should switch to a sign-up form. In some cases, the site may ask you to confirm that you want to create a new account, but usually it just takes you directly to the form. Now you will need to enter your email and create a password. When the email field appears, click into it and type the email address you want to use for your Remitly account. The password field will be next, where you will create a secure password. For best results, use a password that you can remember but that is not easy for others to guess. After you finish entering your email and password, double-check that both entries are correct before moving on, because small typos can slow you down later. After that, enter your required details. This part is important because these details help Remitly set up your profile properly. The form may ask for information such as personal or account-related information, depending on what the site requires at the time of sign-up. Take your time here and fill in each field carefully. If there are drop-down menus, choose the option that matches your situation. If there are text fields, type carefully and make sure capitalization and spelling are correct. As you complete each field, it helps to pause briefly and review what you entered so far. A calm double-check can prevent having to correct errors later. Also, if you see any fields marked as required, make sure they are completed before you continue. Once you have entered everything needed, click Create Profile. This final action sends your information and creates your new Remitly account. After you click it, the website may take a few seconds to process your request. You should then see a confirmation page or be guided to the next part of the setup process. When the profile is created, keep an eye on the screen for any messages that indicate success or anything you still need to do, such as verifying details or completing a small part of onboarding. If the page offers additional steps, follow the prompts carefully. But the key part of the sign-up process is complete once you have created your profile, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to create a Remitly account, from opening the website and clicking Sign Up, to entering your email, password, required details, and finally creating your profile.